So hi Moxie, yeah. Hair. Hair. Anyway, you guys have to draw me. On no, not draw. Sorry. Video where we want to have custom doll hanging out with me. Yeah, you have to make a doll with me. I'm just joking. Now, yeah, I have to make draw and then make a draw the picture and then make a video of you showing it, and then I'll look at the videos, and yeah, I'll look at the videos, and then I'll pick the winner. The winner, no, the dress of the other group will be my dress. Okay, bye. Yeah, I forgot. Go get the shoes. Don't forget the shoes, okay?